Uvital is a blood pressure monitoring system for the arm. It is a irregular heartbeat to monitor. It's got cuff warning detection, and it keeps still indication. It is a 3-profile. It tells you how to use the unit on the box. It's model ARM30S, and you have the specification on the side. You get everything in the box, a carrying case. It is portable and lightweight. You get 4 AAA batteries included. Please take out and install in the unit. Please remember to peel the sticker off of the front screen. You have 3 buttons to press. One is highlighted in green to start the machine. You have the cuff for large hands. You have a USB-C charging cable as well, or running the unit. And you have a quick guide and a manual to set up. You have a year, date and time, and the time. You have the year, a date, and a time, and 3 profiles and an automatic. Simply take the cuff, take the hose out, and place the hose into the side of the unit. As we bring you up close to the machine, we're going to show you how to set up. As we go over the machine, the green button is automatic start and a stop if the pressure gets too intense. To turn on the machine is hitting the profile button. If no pressing of a button, the machine will go off. Pressing the other button on this side, the machine will be on standby and shut down. If nothing is pressed, it will shut down within a minute's time. Going over the machine, we have a nice large display. We have the group and profile button, the start and stop emergency button, and a page where the memory of the unit of blood pressure. On the side we have is the port to plug in for power, and we have here is 4 AAA batteries, as you can see, included from the company, with 4 pads and the speaker area. And on the side is where the hose gets hooked up to. To set your machine up for the date and time, over here, simply press and hold for 3+ seconds. The machine will come on. Whatever date it is, please be careful when going into this button and increasing to 2026. You could do it single pressing or hold it down. As we go single pressing, it will skip from a year right up to 2026. 2099, 2024, 25, 26. To change, hit the profile button for the month and again for the time to set your time for AM and PM and so forth. When all completed, it shuts down. In order to change the pressure, the meter over here, kPa and mmGh, long press the green button for 5 seconds. The unit will come on. mmHg is the proper pronunciation, and press this button to change it to kPa and back. In order to start the machine in auto start, hit the start button. The machine starts up. Within 5 seconds, it does not detect the sleeve. It'll come on and say error. It shows us the time and date, ERU, the battery, and the person. Now that we've gone over the machine, we're going to show you how the machine works. We did a reading of blood pressure, and we want to see for person number 1, going to hit the page, person number 1, and the blood pressure. If we were with person number 2, we would hit person number 2, and number 2 would come up if it was in the system. We're all set up, and we're ready to use the machine. Pick the arm you desire. You have the reader over here, the stethoscope. It's telling you to slide the mask on, the artery, mark. The indication must be in the OK range. Slide over the arm. Follow the information provided, like so. Rest and start. It's an automatic machine. It gives an OK, and I'll show you what's happening on the screen here. It gives an OK and all, measuring the pressure. It stopped pumping. It's monitoring with the date and time, the heartbeat, and giving a reading. It's 173 over 10.6 and 89 with the KPA, OK person, the pulse, the DIA, and the system. The machine is fully loose. It could be slid off. And that is how the machine works. We have our reading, and we hit the group person, nothing happens. We hit the page, it tells us a 1. If we hit the stop, the machine shuts down. And hopefully you can see this. Hit the start. And what I am going to do is move the thing. And it should give us a detection that the sleeve is in the off. For emergencies and you want to stop the machine, simply hit the stop. And the machine automatically stops. So your Uvital blood machine, the hose could stay on, it could be wrapped up. And simply place in the bag with the instructions and all. And batteries run dry. And you have a portable power bank or anything imaginable of a brick or more. It has one zipper and a nice nylon case that you could take with you. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you were looking for in a blood pressure monitoring system. Thank you for viewing.